How to add Instagram banner on Facebook profile. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you open up the application and make sure that you're logged in, head over to the menu icon by tapping on the top right three lines. And once on the menu icon, tap on the profile icon or the profile name to head over to your profile. Once you are here, scroll down until you find your details. Then you'll have an option to edit public details. So just tap on that button. And once you get here, you have an option to edit your profile picture, your avatar, your cover photo, your bio, and your details such as your town, workplace, education, hometown, relationship status. And finally, you'll have an option that says links. Tap on this edit links icon on the right side and here are the links that you can add to your profile. So if your Facebook and Instagram are connected on your account center, you'll be able to add either of those on either of your account. So let's just add our Instagram profile to our Facebook account. Tap on add. You can choose your username here and you can select the platform as Instagram. And once that's done, display your number of followers if you want that. I'm just going to turn it off for now and then click on save. Once that is done, your Instagram profile will be added to your public details. So you can choose the privacy of your details as well. So if you tap on this public option, you can choose friends and only me. And if I go back now and tap on view as, now people will be able to see my details, the Instagram under my details. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful to you. I'm going to see you next time.